Okay, so this morning my wife and I we got up early and tried to go to the farmers market to get some fresh grocery. But when we come out and I try to open the garage, and this is what happens. You can hear the motor running, but nothing's happening. It's not even opening. Okay, so I don't know. I kind of look around and I I looked at first. I look at this one over here too, and my other door opener here, and it's looking okay. But then when I come back over here and I look at this right here, right, I see that the chain is really loose. Okay, the chain is really loose. So I decided to you know look around, and I try to open this like a couple times, and I can hear the motor running, but it's not pulling the uh, the chain. So I went ahead and grabbed my ladder to look on top, see what it is. I tried a couple times, just unplugging the cord, the power, and to try to see if it resets. But when I was looking through everything, I went on top. Okay, let me see. All right. I went on top of here, right? And I was looking at the chain, and I realized that right here where it is turning the chain here, it went off track. It went off of here. So what I need to do is put this chain back on here to see if it will pull the garage, right? So I think there's a tensioner back down here at the end over there. So I will have to go and check out what's going on over there. Okay. So I think the way to do this is I need to lose this tensioner right here and put this chain right on track over there. So let me get all my tools, and we'll do that in a couple minutes. Okay. Okay. So here's the tensioner. So we gotta loosen up the bolt or the nut over here. Okay, I think this is loosened up. That's good. And as you can see, the the chain is very loose now. So I think we're gonna go to the other side and put the chain back on track. Okay, and then we'll come back and tighten this up. Okay, as loose as this is, we found out that it's not enough to put the chain back on track. So we're gonna have to take the tensioner all the way out and put it back on track, and then put the tensioner back on there again. So this is my wife. We're always a team. We fix everything together. So that most of the time when I'm not here, she can do most of the house chores or house work by herself. You know, I try to teach her everything around the house. So, okay, so now it's all the way off, right? Okay, go ahead.
So now I want you to go on the other side.
Okay, so I'm gonna go on the other side and put the chain back on the track. And then my husband's gonna tighten up over there.
Good job. Okay. So here I'm going to put this on track. Okay. So now it should be. Yep. So go ahead and pull it. Can you pull it? Can you tighten over there? Okay. So this is on track. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Don't. Okay, here we go. So once this is on track, you see it's all track. And then.
Okay, so.
And just give me one.
You good?
Not yet. Okay, there you go.
Okay, so once that is on track, we can adjust the tension over here to make the chain tighter.
Go.
So even after you put that the chain back on the track over there, it's still loose like this, hanging like that. So what you need to do is you need to tighten up the tension over here so it'll bring the lines right back up. Okay, the chain right back up so it won't be too sagging. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna use my fingers to tighten up this first, and then I'm gonna use the wrench to tighten up further. Okay. Okay, so keep tightening up, and you might have to loosen this up a little bit on this side and bring the other one back in so it will tighten up more. Okay, and then use my you shouldn't even need a tool to do this, but you know, sometimes it is tight enough. You should feel the tension, and just leave it at that. Okay, so let me close that up, and let's go see if it will open. Okay. Okay, so you can see that now the chain is not that sagging, or it's not hanging, or it's not loose anymore, right? It's more tighter than before. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna come back here and see if my garage opens. Okay. All right. All right, man, it opened up. Yep. There you go. Oh yeah. Let's see if it closes. Perfect. There you go. Do it yourself. Thank you for watching.